In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email reminders in Google Calendar. This is an incredibly useful feature for ensuring you never miss an important meeting, deadline, or event again. Whether it's for personal appointments or critical work meetings, setting up these reminders can keep you organized and punctual. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening the Google Calendar on your computer. It's important to use the desktop version as the mobile app has different functionalities which might not support all the features we need today. Find the event you want to set a reminder for on your calendar. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a small pop-up with all the basic details of your event. You should see an option to edit or a pencil icon in this window. Click that to move into the more detailed event editor. Next, you'll want to add an email notification. As you scroll down in the event editor, find the section labeled Notifications. This is typically towards the bottom of the page. In this section, you should see an option to Add Notification. Click on this option. Now, a small menu will appear that allows you to choose the type of notification. By default, it shows a standard notification, but you can change this by selecting Email from the drop-down menu. This action ensures your notification will be sent via email, rather than as a pop-up on your device. Once you've switched the method to email, you can decide exactly when you want the reminder to arrive. You have the flexibility to set it to minutes, hours, days, or even weeks before the event, depending on what suits your needs best. If your event is critical, consider setting more than one email reminder. For instance, you might want to be reminded a week before and again a day before, just to make sure it's on your radar. With the email notification set up, it's time to save your changes. Click the Save button located at the top of the screen. It's a bright, prominent button that ensures all your adjustments are locked in. If your event has other invited guests, they'll also receive these email reminders provided you've configured the event to send them. Lastly, for those of you who have recurring events or simply want this reminder set up for all future events, you can define a default email reminder for an entire calendar. Head to the sidebar on the left, find your calendar, and click on Settings and Sharing. Within the event notifications section, add an email notification, choosing your desired timing. After that, hit Save. Now, every new event in this calendar will automatically include an email reminder, saving you time and ensuring consistency. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep your schedule in sync with email reminders on Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.